The construction sector is experiencing a major transformation driven by advanced technologies. Innovations that once seemed purely imaginary are now becoming part of daily operations on job sites. In this feature, we'll highlight several groundbreaking tools and systems that are rewriting the playbook for modern building practices. Curious what tomorrow's structures look like today? Let's dive in. Tor Alva, the tallest 3D printed tower to date in. The quiet Swiss hamlet of Moulins, home to just 11 residents, scientists have unveiled a remarkable achievement. Tor Alva, a 30-meter tall marvel constructed entirely through 3D printing. Also called the White Tower, this futuristic structure serves as a blend of performing art space, viewing platform, and sculptural installation. Engineers used a duo of robots, one precisely layering concrete, the other inserting steel reinforcement rods every 26 centimeters. Designed to bring new energy and tourism to the fading village, the tower has already become a magnet for visitors. Wolf House Movers, relocating full-sized buildings. The professionals at Wolf House and Building Movers specialize in something truly unique, shifting entire buildings from one place to another. Whether it's a wooden cabin or a brick home, they can move it with pinpoint accuracy. In a standout case, they slid the Vogt Travers house 9 meters to the side and 1.2 meters to the rear. Using 34 hydraulic jacks, each capable of lifting 100 tons, they carefully maneuvered the 850-ton structure. The relocated home is now expected to last well over a century longer. SCF-60 climbing formwork. Safer, faster. Vertical construction, the SCF-60, is a self-elevating formwork system engineered for high-rise projects. It protects workers from weather and falling debris and removes the need for cranes or traditional scaffolds, cutting down on labor and material expenses. Certified to meet British, European, and American safety regulations, this system supports buildings that rise beyond 300 meters. One notable use was in the construction of Germany's tallest residential skyscraper, the Grand Tower. Harmon Facades, turning architecture into art a building's outer shell, can define its identity. Harmon's customized curtain wall facades are built with this philosophy in mind. Every panel is carefully crafted to meet aesthetic and performance standards. Whether it's wrapping a 53-story office block in 38,000 square meters of cladding or covering a hospital complex with multiple towers, Harmon systems offer beauty, durability, and weather protection all in one solution. HS2's rapid bridge build. Keeping traffic flowing massive infrastructure usually means long-term road closures, but not for HS2. In a pioneering effort in Warwickshire, UK, engineers installed a 14,500-ton bridge over the A46 in just 5 days. Using a sophisticated slide system, the structure was pushed over 64 meters into place. After the bridge was positioned, the remaining time was spent on drainage, surfacing, and road markings, all with minimal disruption to traffic. Mivadec system, efficient concrete slab. Forming Mivadec makes concrete slab construction more efficient and less error-prone. This adaptable formwork solution offers 3 techniques: drop head with panels, primary and secondary beam setup, and standalone panels. Regardless of the approach, all components are interchangeable, allowing for maximum flexibility on different building layouts. The next generation version is also easier to clean and significantly lighter in weight. Fiberline bridges, lightweight, high-performance spans. Tomorrow's bridges are built to be tough yet lightweight. Fiberline's composite bridges ditch traditional materials in favor of fiberglass, making them 60% lighter than steel and up to 80% lighter than concrete. They stand up to temperatures ranging from -40 to 80 degrees Celsius, resist corrosion from salt water, and require minimal maintenance. Even better, once retired, they can be recycled. Cuis, Tenuva Box, streamlining green roof. Installation Suprema's Tenuva Box is revolutionizing eco-friendly roofs by offering a complete modular solution. Built with interlocking trays, pre-grown plants, and engineered soil. The system makes installing a green roof as easy as assembling furniture. In the first year, watering is typically the only required maintenance. The environmental benefits include reduced cooling costs, improved sound insulation, and support for wildlife in urban areas. POC, fast-track concrete, speeding up road repairs. Conventional concrete needs nearly a month to cure fully, but Fast-Track's polymer concrete is ready for traffic just 3 hours after application. By combining synthetic resins with fine aggregates, this innovative mix holds up to chemicals and harsh conditions. It's an ideal solution for rapid repairs on bridges and roads where time is of the essence. Foldable origami structures. Inspired by ancient art engineers at the University of Michigan, are applying origami principles to modern construction. Their collapsible columns and shelters are both compact and incredibly strong. A 1 meter tall, 7 kilogram column can support over 2 tons. By evenly distributing force through folding geometries, these structures are perfect for emergency, relief efforts, and even space exploration. Yes? Sonko ground mats. Protecting work sites and soil job sites often become muddy and unmanageable. Sonko's Enduramat ground mats offer a durable, reusable alternative to plywood or steel sheets. Weighing just 32 kilograms, each mat can handle up to 80 tons and provides excellent stability. They're easy to clean, resistant to chemicals, and ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Once no longer needed, they're recycled, not discarded. Quoque. Cleanio panels, acoustic solutions for healthier interiors. Sound pollution isn't just annoying, it can cause serious health problems. Cleanio acoustic gypsum boards help mitigate that by absorbing echoes and low-frequency noise in walls and ceilings. Thanks to added zeolite, these panels also remove air contaminants like smoke and chemical odors, noticeably improving indoor air quality within a few hours of installation. PVE elevators, sleek and simple. Home Lifts pneumatic vacuum elevators offer a minimalist and space-saving way to add vertical mobility to homes. Powered by a standard electrical outlet, these air-driven lifts are available in different sizes, including models that accommodate wheelchairs. With a lifting capacity of 238 kilograms and compliance with European safety standards, they represent a practical upgrade for multi-story living. 14. B-Core panels, speedy modular assembly. In China, engineers stunned the world by erecting a 10-story apartment block in just under 29 hours. The secret behind this record-breaking feat? B-Core panels. These innovative building components feature 2 steel plates linked by a network of welded tubes with insulating material filling the hollow spaces. Each panel measures roughly 12 meters by 2.4 meters and is only 15 centimeters thick. They're 10 times lighter than concrete panels and perfect for modular projects, where construction involves piecing together pre-built sections, like a giant puzzle. Bordfinanes. BIM printer, site layout with robotic precision. The BIM printer brings robotic accuracy to construction layout tasks. This automated device uses data from digital blueprints to paint exact markings on the job site, functioning either completely on its own or partially under human control via tablet, smartphone, or computer. It syncs with major brands like Leica, Trimble, and Topcon total stations, and specialized planning software handles mission routing. This system signals a shift toward digital-first construction methods where robots streamline early-stage site setup. Yes. UK high-speed rail tunnels, monumental undertaking. Across the United Kingdom, 10 enormous tunnel boring machines, each the size of 1.5 football fields, are steadily carving out a new route connecting London to the West Midlands. These tunnels will stretch over 100 kilometers in the initial phase, some reaching 90 meters beneath the surface. With tunnel diameters around 9 meters, they're engineered to minimize above-ground disruption in cities and towns. Nearly 30,000 workers are involved in this historic infrastructure expansion. EGCOBOX insulation connectors. Efficient. Balcony integration. EGCOBOX insulation units allow balcony steel reinforcements to pass through exterior walls without creating thermal bridges. This results in better energy efficiency and less risk of condensation or mold. The system is compatible with CAD and BIM tools and design customization is available. Made from materials like mineral wool, polystyrene, and phenolic foam, these connectors offer insulation up to 12 centimeters thick, ensuring balconies remain thermally connected to the home without unnecessary heat loss. Nivelite aluminum. Forms. Strong and lightweight framework. During the expansion of US Highway 43 in Alabama, contractors used Nivelite aluminum formwork for bridge widening. Each panel, measuring approximately 1.8 by 0.9 meters, weighs only 39 kilograms, yet can withstand forces of 6.5 tons per square meter. This lightweight system made it easier to handle and accelerated. Progress, offering the strength of traditional systems without the cumbersome weight. Hone. Mapei Mapiguard. WP200. High Performance Waterproofing. Layer. MapeGuard. WP200 from Mapei is a smart, multi-layered membrane designed for damp-prone areas like showers and wet rooms. It features a thin polyethylene core flanked by layers of non-woven polypropylene, providing flexibility and strength. The sheets adhere firmly to substrates like raw concrete and wrap easily around fixtures. Despite being just half a millimeter thick, they can be tiled over immediately, offering a fast and space-saving waterproofing solution. 1. Schuco Perfect, all-purpose window and door. System. Schuco's new Perfect system lives up to its name, providing a seamless solution for residential and commercial buildings alike. Whether you're installing panoramic windows, sliding doors, or new entryways in older homes, this modular framework adapts easily to different settings. It can be customized with options like shutters or insect screens, and installation often takes as little as 10 minutes, making it ideal for quick upgrades or new builds. Heap Excavator. Intelligent wall builder researchers at ETH Zurich have developed a groundbreaking excavator based on the Menzimok M545 that can autonomously build dry stone walls. In one trial, it erected a structure 6 meters high and 65 meters long. The Heap machine uses advanced scanning and mapping to assess stones' size, shape, and balance, then places each piece precisely using a custom algorithm. This type of robotic masonry may prove invaluable for post-disaster rebuilding or remote construction. Boo. AC Tube. Geotextile containers. Simplified dewatering. AC Tube containers use strong geotextile fabric to filter and retain solids while letting. Water escape, offering a fast and cost-effective way to manage sludge and wastewater. These tubes are ideal for industrial and municipal dewatering tasks, including mining operations. Engineers can choose different filtration levels and enhance performance by adding flocculants to the incoming slurry. The material resists sunlight, acids, and alkalis, making it durable in harsh environments. C. Core Drive 5235 HD. Firm gravel stabilization. Grid Core Drive 5035 HD provides a reliable solution for loose gravel or unstable driveways. It's honeycomb-like. Polymer grid holds gravel in place, reducing the amount of fill needed by up to 60%. Each square meter can bear up to 450 tons, and the grid's low 3 centimeter profile makes it accessible for everything from strollers to wheelchairs. The result is a clean, stable surface with minimal maintenance. Sikacrete 733. Concrete tailored for 3D printing seekers, Sikacrete 733 is a specially formulated concrete mix made for 3-dimensional printing. This advanced blend is designed for optimal pumpability, rapid setting, and minimal shrinkage, which helps prevent cracking during curing. Mixed just like traditional cement, with dry powder and water, it works well for both structural builds and creative designs. With Sikacrete 733, large-scale printed architecture moves closer to becoming everyday reality.